be playing with and demonstrating with these two amazing new products from Moroccanoil. I am so pumped to show you guys how I can work with two different products to create such a smooth, beautiful, but like a lot of volume and texture going through effect and look. So we just went through and we just shampooed and conditioned Ella's hair with the Volumizing shampoo and conditioner, but we used a little bit of the blonde perfecting shampoo as well. We mixed it in with the Volumizing shampoo for a more creamy effect rather than a violet sort of cool effect. I'm going to be going through first and I'm going to be using the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go through and I'm going to be using the Volumizing Mist. I absolutely adore this product. I can work like it's completely normal. There's no grittiness, there's nothing like that. All done. I am in love with the feel of this. Going through and I'm going to be using my Cloud 9 to add in some beautiful, soft, voluminous textured waves. Now to finish off, I'm going to be adding in the dry texture spray. Again, I really love this, like all Moroccanoil products. I feel like nothing is ever too heavy. It's all about how much you use and how you work it through. So I'm going to go quite heavy-handed. So roots to end, just going to go through, make sure all that body and volume is in there. I've got a lot of product in here and this movement and bounce is just flawless. Look at all that volume, guys. That texture and volume, all the products that we've worked in there, but look how easy it is to work with. It is still so soft and bouncy.